Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Also, visit the law firm of Figueroa and Associates website at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. President Barack Obama took office in 2008, and I had the privilege of meeting President Barack Obama in 2007, along with the mighty Sparrow, Calypso King of the World, myself, my brothers, and my good friends from Jamaica and TNT. We met with President Barack Obama at the Brooklyn Marriott. There was a huge turnout. We met with the president before he made his presentation that day. And part of his presentation, he said that immigration is not going to be a football in his administration, that we need comprehensive immigration reform, and we need to help many immigrants in this country that are not only married to U.S. citizens and cannot legalize themselves, but also to help those children in the U.S. also undocumented under the DACA program. President Barack Obama made his speech, and standing next to him at the Brooklyn Marriott, it was a earth-shaking moment for me. Why? Because practicing law in New York City for almost 3 decades, one of our main areas of law that we represent, Caribbean immigrants, African immigrants, and other immigrants in the U.S., Brooklyn, New York, and Brooklyn has the largest Caribbean population in the United States. It was, I cried, yes. Why did I have to cry? All those big tears from a 6'4", handsome attorney from the Caribbean, a tough guy. Don't mess with me, because, hey, I represent my clients with all the knowledge and love that you need to give your clients. Yes, immigrants have been abused in this country, especially by the Republicans. KKK, Russian Trump was one of the worst. And if he becomes the president of the United States of America, it's all over, so to speak. President Biden recently decided to extend President Barack Obama's executive order giving provisional waivers to people who are married to U.S. citizens to actually get their green cards by making a trip to their home country. unfortunately, many immigrants, even though they qualify to get their green card in their home countries, they are still scared. What are they scared of? Being separated from their family, and they do not want to take the chance that they are not approved, even though we gave them guarantees, obviously, that there is not going to be a problem unless they didn't disclose any crimes or other issues that will make them inadmissible. President Biden is allowing people under this criteria to what we call parole in place into the U.S., meaning they don't have to make that trip anymore. They could get that green card right here in the United States of America. It saves these immigrants not only the time and money and the stress of leaving the country, but it also accelerates their path to legalization. President Biden also offers relief to people who are enrolled in DACA, and we are talking a couple million young people that came to the U.S. unattended that qualify for this program, DACA, Deferred Action for Minors. So there are two groups, spouses of U.S. citizens and people who are in that DACA category, youths at the time, but older people now. This executive order obviously is timely. President Biden is running for election, and many people are dissatisfied of the lack of progress that the Democrats, the Biden administration, has done during the last 4 years. This is great news. This is fantastic news. There's a lot of details that concern this new law, and we ask you to visit our website, the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, at www.askthelawyer.us, so that you could get more details. There's going to be an article dealing with all the new provisions. There's going to be an audio of the article so you could listen and read at your convenience. You could also schedule a consultation for yourself or a family member in the United States or anywhere in the world. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Also, for this executive order, the details of it, whether it be for you or your family here in the United States of America, direct them to our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. This executive order will benefit many immigrants that are married to U.S. citizens. There are certain requirements, and we need the word to get out. Additionally, our publication, the Immigrants Journal, a publication that we started in 1998, it's over a quarter century. That publication, under the editor's advisement, is endorsing President Biden and Kamala Harris for, obviously, to be re-elected to Congress. Ms. Pearl Phillip and her team made that decision. Also, our other publications, Caribbean American Weekly, Workers' World Today, and New Black Voices, will also endorse the Biden team. Why? Because KKK, Russia, and Trump is a threat to democracy, is a threat to immigrants, is a threat to people of color, and also is a threat to white folks that believe in law and order. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.